Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change music speed on Spotify. So for an example, I'm going to play a little podcast. So I'm going to play this podcast and I'm going to change the speed of this podcast. So I need to click on the podcast at the bottom and it'll open up in the big screen just like this. Now at the bottom left corner you can see 1x. That is basically the current speed of this podcast. I can click on 1x and it's going to give me the slider. I can either slow it down or make it fast just like this. So I'm going to make it 3x fast. After this is done, I can press at the top and the speed will be set. Now, as you guys can see, the podcast is being played on 3.5x speed. If I want the normal speed, I can click on 3.5. At the bottom, you can see the option called 1. That is the regular speed. Click on 1. And you will be back to the regular speed. Not too slow, not too fast. That is how you guys can change music speed. Now I said music speed, but this option is only available for podcast. If I try to do it on a music, it's not going to work. So I'm going to play this music over here. As you guys can see, there is no option of 1x. So the speed changing feature is only available for podcast right now. But in the future, they might give you the option for music as well. And in the future, if they do give the option, then you just need to do the step which I just did. So I hope you understand how you guys can change music speed on Spotify. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.